Hello everyone, I'm Shalou. This video brings two models. Are both M6702 comparison videos. The left one is from UMI Factory, 110,000 plus, and the right is from VG Factory for 20,000. Let's compare them. Let's see which one will be better. You can see the dial from different angles. The carbon fiber pattern of NPT on the dial. Now, they're in the same light. You can see them from different angles. Then we can compare them separately. And compare them separately. The two are really neck and neck. Carbon fiber will be more three-dimensional. If you compare them carefully, the VG Factory will be better. This one is 95 points. This one is 90 points. Both of them are 5-level titanium screws. It feels like this one is darker. This one is a bit more like titanium metal. Color-wise, the straps are both Velcro. They are similar. The UMI Factory will also provide Velcro. Is this elastic glue? Without a screwdriver, if you remove 4 screws, you can remove the strap. When tightening, please pay attention. Don't tighten it too much or too violent because carbon fiber is brittle. It will easily crack. Otherwise, just tighten it. If you use too much force, it will break in. It can't be repaired. You can only replace the case. The cost will be higher. Please pay attention to this. Let's take a look at the comparison of the movements. The Factories is a new type of integrated movement, while the UMI Factory is an old one. They are all integrated. The position of the balance wheel is in the same direction. Both have a card degree movement. There are 2 small posts. This movement is a bit different. You can see that. This one will have a large golden steel wheel and the technology position and the transmission wheel. This is the new style, which is in this position. It has a transmission power. The old one is in. On the right side, the original one should also be a silver steel wheel, not this black steel wheel you see. The transmission wheel is in this position. There is a little difference in this place. And the midshaft part, it's a 3-dimensional pentagon. This one has been changed to a flat screw. The only difference is here. This is also claimed to be a domestic Tamagotchi movement. It's still well made. The only difference is the accuracy. The technology is all right. And this place is also done quite well. And the screws inside. It is claimed to be the same as the original one, including the screws on the back cover, are all made of 5-level titanium screws. The screws of UB Factory are still a little different, including the screws inside. Not so. Look like the B Factories. The screws are not that similar. The expensive one will be a little different. The screws will also be a little darker. However, the engraving will be deeper than that of B Factory. This one is shallower. The new version has 2 lines of words. The old version has only 1 line of words. You can see that the engraving is a little deeper. It's just a slight difference. The crowns are more or less the same, right? And then look at the dial. The difference will be more obvious. This one. And the transmission wheel is the spring box and the transmission wheel. It's all transparent. You can see inside. It's transparent to the inside. You can see the bottom through it. But the UMI Factories can't. This spring box is connected together. The new movement is better. And the fish scale here will also. The more obvious golden fish scale. This one is not so obvious. The most important thing is the right shell. This small part. The original one is a little to the right. This one is a little bit to the left. And the B Factories is a little bit to the right. The other thing is the 9 position. A little higher. The original one has a diamond. This one is also a diamond, but the U Factory doesn't have a drill here. But it's a small hole. This is a little different. Another thing is that the transmission wheel of the 7th position can rotate. This one can also rotate. This transmission wheel is larger. And the gemstone of the shock absorber, which is a ruby red color. Purple gemstone. The original one should be a ruby red color. It's gourd shaped. This one is a bit like. It's more like a white diamond. It doesn't have the gourd shape. It should also belong to the old model. It should be like this. The most important thing is this position. This starter is from UMI Factory. Is for decorative purposes. Let me adjust it for you. See? You can see that only the inside. Only the winding wheel is rotating. But the start-stop button cannot be moved. Let's take a look at the V Factories. It can really move. Look. This start-stop button. This start-stop can also move, including this big start-stop. Can't move. So it claims that its watch crown is compatible with the original one. I believe it because it is real. A function of the bell. From this perspective, the mechanical beauty will be better and stronger. Its movement is 3-dimensional, and the degree of 3-dimensionality will be higher. There are not so many miscellaneous boards, including the bell. Look at the winding, you see. Look at the operation of the winding box. The large mainspring inside is more perfect, but it's not completely perfect. We can see the logo on the comparison. The UMI Factory's font is more 3-dimensional and clearer. The font of V7 Factory is also large, but not so 3-dimensional. So it looks a little blurry, especially the small English below. SMA's comparison. This one is very blurry. This one, at first glance, it's very transparent and clear. There is also a comparison of the pointers. The luminous feeling of the pointer of the Rice Factory is very flat and natural, you see. But the V Factory's one is uneven. There is also a burr here. This point is also uneven. In terms of the details of the workmanship, it's still not as good. The quality control of the Rice Factory. However, in terms of the movement, the V7 Factory has made great progress. The mechanical beauty of this movement is better and more in line with the original. But for the Rice Factory, this point can't be moved. And this point is not as good as this one. And this is also a comparison between the two. So I made a video to share with you.